Hi friends, today let's look at Palak Paratha. I am sharing a version with two secret ingredients. I use these ingredients in my Methi Paratha video also. I have given the link in the description. I have also added a recipe for a quick chutney. So let's start. Take roughly 150 grams of palak or spinach. Wash it thoroughly to remove the mud and grime. Then blanch it. Heat 2 glasses of water and as the water starts to boil and you see bubbles, dip the palak in and quickly remove it. This is important. Dipping it too long will result in loss of nutrients. Now take 1 to 2 green chilies, 3 to 4 garlic flakes, preferably garlic paste, and grind them into a smooth puree. Now let's look at the proportion. For roughly 2 cups of wheat flour, you need 1 cup of palak puree. Initially, we start with 1.5 cup of wheat flour for the dough preparation. Add the other half cup in batches during the kneading process as required. You will be using very less water in this process. Now, I add my secret ingredients. 1 tablespoon gram flour, besan and grated half of a boiled potato. These ingredients are optional, but they enhance the taste and texture of the parathas. Add 1/4 masala spoon turmeric, 1.5 masala spoon of coriander powder, half spoon salt. Mix and blend them thoroughly. Divide the dough into small portions like this. I have used this technique in my atta video, of which you can find the link in the description. And again blend them together. This way you knead the dough easily and uniformly. For beginners, this is the best way to knead and you won't end up adding too much or too little water. If the dough is sticky, add the rest of the half cup wheat flour in batches until the dough becomes non-sticky. Now, add a spoonful of cooking oil to make the dough soft. Knead it again thoroughly until it becomes non-sticky and soft. Now the dough is ready. Take a lemon-sized portion of the dough and roll it into a ball. Sprinkle flour on the rolling area. Flatten the ball and dust it with the wheat flour like this. Roll it a little. Apply half a spoon of oil and spread it around. Hold it. Hold it again. Make a triangle like this and dust it with wheat flour to avoid stickiness. And roll it like this, switching sides regularly until the dough becomes thin. The paratha is ready. Make all of them at once. You can make 8 to 10 parathas with this proportion. Heat up a pan, cast iron or non-stick on medium flame. Once hot, put the paratha on it and cook till you see bubbles forming on the paratha. Flip it. Let it puff. Sprinkle some oil around the paratha. I use groundnut oil. Flip it and you will see golden brown spots on it. You can also use butter if you like it. Flip it again. See, it's cooked. Palak or spinach paratha is ready. Now, let's make a quick chutney for the parathas. You will need 2 spoons finely chopped onions, 2 spoons finely chopped tomatoes, 1 spoon roasted groundnut powder, 1 to 2 spoonful cream curd, 1 masala spoon chili powder, 1/4 spoon salt, 1 spoon sugar if you like it. Mix it thoroughly. Quick side dish is also ready. Enjoy this healthy dish with your family. Share this recipe if you like it and let me know your feedback in the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe for my full proof recipes. Thank you.